In this video, we will discuss about Python operators. So there are different type of operators. Starting with, let me start with various operators. So first operator is arithmetic operator. Second one is what we call that assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. These are the main Python operators. So we will discuss these operators one by one. So let's start with arithmetic operators. So these operators are used with numeric values. These operators are used with numeric values to perform a maths operation actually. So every operator, these operators, there are two words. One is operator, operator, and operand. So what is operator? So if you understand that one, operator which acts as a medium between operand. And what is operands? So these are the values on which operation is performed. What is the example of this one? So example is a plus b. So a and b are operands. Plus is operator. So we are discussing about arithmetic operators. So there are various types of operators in arithmetic operators. That is plus, minus, divide, star, double star, modulus. So these are various operators. So let's take some examples of these ones. So we'll start one by one. So if I say a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, I say print a plus b. From that, I want to say, so let's twist. A plus b, a minus b, a divided b, a star b, a double star b. What else is there? A double divide b and a modulus b. So what is the expected output of these ones? So first we'll give 60, 20, 2, 800, then 40 raised to power 20. It will be the big value. So if I mention instead of 40, let's say take the small values. So 15, let's take 15, get 10. So what is the difference between a divide b and a double divide b? So a divide b will be giving you the output as 1.5, while a double divide b will be giving you the output as 1. Double divide means integer division. It is called integer division. So let's see the outputs. Even I can mention proper here if you want, so that you can understand in more detail. You should understand it properly. If you will see, a plus b is 25, a minus b 15 expected, a divided b 1.5, a star b 150, a raised to power b means this value. This is very high value, and a double divided b means 1, a module b means 5. So these are all the arithmetic operators. What else is there? Next one is that is assignment operators. Assignment operators. So if you understand assignment operator, there is one value that is called equal to. Equal to is called assignment operator, but this assignment operator can be used with any of the arithmetic operators. So it makes lots of values. So general syntax, if we understand, that is the general syntax. So equal to, but what else you can do? Apart from equal to, you can do plus equal to, minus equal to, divide equal to, star equal to, double star equal to, double divide equal to, modulus equal to. So how actually it works? So let's say I mentioned one term here. So let's give examples. So same values we will be taking care of. Let's say instead of a b, let's say x and y. X and y should be 10 plus 30. Okay, 20 and 10. So if I say x is equal to, so what the first one is the plus operator. So if I will say x equal to 20, so it is an assignment operator. That is absolutely correct. Next one is plus equal to. What does that mean? So if I simply say x plus equal to 20, so actually it means x equal to x plus 20. If I run this one, if I print the value of x, then value of x will become 40, because x value is already 20 and we have added 20 here, so that's it become 40. What else is there? So same operators works in same way. All operators, x minus equal to 20 means x equal to x minus 20. So if I mention x minus equal to 20, and if I print the value of x now, let me comment this one. Sorry, 0. Why 0? Because we commented that on x equal to 20 initially mentioned, and you did minus from 20 from this one. So x equal to 20 minus 20, that's why it is coming as 0, because we commented that part. Otherwise the value could be 20 back. Apart from mathematical operations, you can perform and or not, left shift, right shift as well. So what else? Those also work. And equal to, not equal to, or equal to. Apart from that, left shift equal to, right shift equal to. So these are the operations. Next is third one is comparison operator. Comparison means you want to compare the values So what are the operations for comparison operators? So lots of operations are there. Double equal to means equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and greater than and less than. These are the operations which comes under comparison. So remember these operations. Other than comparison operator, what else is there? So next is, just give me a minute. The next operator is, apart from comparison, we have logical operators. So logical operator means it contains three operators. So these are used to combine conditional statements. Conditional statements means if else, then you want to use logical operators. So what these are? So these are and, or, not. Even you write in same way. These are called logical operators. So next operator is what we call it, last one, identity operator. Identity operator. So what does that mean actually? So these operators used to compare the objects. Used to compare the objects. So objects means here. So whenever we have, suppose we talk about A and B. A and B are there. Okay, A and B are having some values. So it does not compare the values. It compares the objects. It is little bit tricky if you understand that one. So if I say X is object means, so it returns the value as true or false only. True or false. So how it works? Let me give you one example. So that prints the value of X and print the value of Y. So what are the values? These are the values. I say if X is Y. Okay, so if X is Y. So what, first I will tell you what are identity operators syntax. So identity means is or is not. So it contains two values only. So these are the values, is not. So if I say X is Y, if X is Y, print value of X is equal value of Y. But if no, it's not equal, then it will not print because these values are not. So what actually happens? So I say A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. And if I say A, if A is B, print A is B. So it is showing you the output because this 10 value is the same value, means it is the one value to which both variables are pointing. So that's why it is called identity operator. Basically, it contains the object value. So this value in the memory of the RAM, laptop or desktop, this value is shared with A and B both. That's why these are equal. And another one is membership operator. Membership operator means in, not in, means these are used to test the what we call it, values used to test the values, or we can say sequence actually. The value is presented in an object, is presented in an object. In an object means, suppose there is one where object is here, list equal to two values are there, A. So I mentioned if A bracket A in list, print A is in the list. So if I run it, it will show something, just missing something, type or something. What is that? Something we are missing. List one should be there actually. It will show. It should be in the brackets because this is a string. So it will show the correct value. So if it contains two values, that is in and not in. Last operator is bitwise operator. So what does that means? These are used to compare binary numbers. These are used to compare binary numbers. So it contains five items. So what are those five items? It contains and, or, and what we call not, and apart from not, so not symbol is tilde one, not, and XOR, and left shift and right shift. These are the symbols of a bitwise operators. So what actually it means, binary numbers means, what example we can take for this one. So let's say A is equal to 10. If I say, and B is equal to let's say 8. If I mention here print A, B. So what will happen here in the back end? So it will convert A is equal to in binary form 1010. What will be the B's form 01? Yeah, correct. So if I want A and B, so what will be the output? Result will be 1110. So this will be the result. If I convert this result into decimal, so it becomes 1248. So it becomes 12. So it should show 12. Let me show you. Let me comment these ones. So these are just for understanding. So 8, why it is showing 8? My mistake. Actually, I performed OR operation here. So it should be 1, and then the rest it should be something I'm missing. 1010 1248. It is correct. And 812. It should be this one actually. So all will be 0 actually. So output will be 8 because in AND 1 is 1. Rest of the things are 0. If you perform same operation for OR, then it will become 14 that I was talking about. A or B. So it will show for 10. So what you can understand, if AND operator is there, then you will get the lower value, and if OR operator is there, then you will get the higher value. So A and B will present to 8 here, A or B will present 10 here. Left shift, it shifts the binary value to left side. So how it works actually. So suppose there is one element, let's say A is equal to 20 is there. So 10 is there. If I say A left shift 1, so what actually it means? So if I convert binary form, so 1 0 1 0. If it says A left shift 1, so it will shift A to left side and 1 0 will be put here. I can show you more onto the Excel sheet, this one. So let's say we have one Excel here. Value of A is 1 0 1 0. So if someone says left shift 1 means this value will be shifted. Left shift 1 means this will shift from left to right to left. So it will shift here. But there is a vacant place here, so automatically 0 will be filled here. This is A and this is A left shift 1. The answer is, what is answer? So answer will be 1, 2, 4, 8 and 15. So answer will be 19. If you sum A left shift 1, then it will be it should be 60. Then answer will be 20. So if I click here, if I show you some syntax is wrong here. Syntax was correct. Actually, this was not hash commented top one. That's why it was showing error. So same, if you work in the right shift, the value becomes very less in right shift. So if I do a right shift 1, then the value will be 5. So in right shift, value gets decreases. In left shift, value gets increases. That's all about Python operators. You can let me know any queries.